Did you know that sharks have been on Earth longer than trees? Indeed, these magnificent creatures have been navigating our world's waters for over 400 million years, predating even the dinosaurs. They've evolved into a stunning array of species, each with unique characteristics and abilities. Their long history and diverse adaptations make them some of the most intriguing creatures in the natural world. So, let's embark on this journey together, diving deeper into the fascinating world of these ancient predators. There are over 500 species of sharks swimming in our oceans today. This vast family of marine predators showcases an extraordinary array of diversity. From the tropical waters of the Bahamas to the icy depths of the Arctic, sharks have adapted to nearly every marine environment on Earth. Each species is a marvel of evolution, fine-tuned to its specific habitat and lifestyle. The dwarf lantern shark, barely larger than a human hand, illuminates the deep sea with its bioluminescent glow. On the other end of the scale, the whale shark, the largest fish in the sea, gracefully filters plankton in warm coastal waters. Some species, like the tiger shark, are generalists, consuming a wide range of prey. Others, like the thresher shark, have specialized in unique hunting techniques, using their elongated tail fin to stun their prey. From the smallest dwarf lantern shark to the largest whale shark, the shark family is incredibly diverse. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years. That's right. These ancient predators have witnessed the world change through eons. Some species of sharks swam the oceans even before the rise of dinosaurs, making them some of the oldest creatures on Earth. They've survived multiple mass extinctions, adapting and evolving to the world's ever-changing environments. Their long evolutionary journey reveals a story of resilience and adaptability that is nothing short of awe-inspiring. These ancient predators have survived multiple mass extinctions, adapting and evolving over millions of years. Sharks come in all sizes. They can be as small as your hand, or as large as a school bus. Picture the dwarf lantern shark, barely reaching 8 inches in length, a little shark that could comfortably sit in the palm of your hand. Now consider the whale shark, the largest fish in the sea, stretching up to 40 feet. It's hard to believe they belong to the same family, isn't it? From tiny to titanic, sharks truly cover the size spectrum. Sharks have fascinating reproductive methods. And it's no exaggeration, these creatures of the deep have evolved a variety of means to ensure the survival of their species. Let's dive into some of these. First up, we have viviparity, a method where the young develop inside the mother and are born live, similar to mammals. This might seem unusual for a fish, but sharks are full of surprises. Then there's oviparity, where sharks lay eggs. These aren't your typical eggs though. They're encased in a tough, leathery casing, often referred to as a mermaid's purse, protecting the developing embryo from predators. Lastly, we have ovoviviparity, a blend of the previous two. Here the eggs are retained within the mother's body until they're ready to hatch, resulting in live birth. These diverse strategies allow sharks to adapt to a variety of environmental conditions, ensuring their survival in different habitats. With their diverse reproductive strategies, sharks continue to thrive in oceans around the world. Sharks possess remarkable sensory abilities. Imagine having a sense of smell so keen, you could detect a single drop of blood in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. These aquatic predators have not only that, but also an extraordinary sight that allows them to see in the murkiest of waters. And if that wasn't enough, they've got electroreception, a sixth sense that lets them detect electrical fields produced by living organisms. With their superior senses, sharks are finely tuned hunting machines. Many sharks must swim constantly to breathe. Now that's a remarkable fact, isn't it? Imagine having to be on the go, all the time, just to draw breath. This perpetual motion is essential for many shark species. As they swim, water flows over their gills, allowing them to extract oxygen and breathe. It's a fascinating adaptation to their aquatic environment, a testament to their survival instincts. And so, for these sharks, life is indeed a constant journey, a never-ending swim in the vast oceans. For these sharks, life truly is a constant journey. Despite their fearsome reputation, shark attacks on humans are relatively rare. The image of the shark as a ruthless, bloodthirsty predator is more a product of sensationalized media and popular culture than it is a reflection of reality. In truth, the vast majority of the more than 400 species of sharks are completely harmless to humans. Of those that do pose a potential threat, attacks are incredibly infrequent. You are, in fact, more likely to be struck by lightning or bitten by a dog than to be attacked by a shark. Moreover, many of these so-called attacks are cases of mistaken identity. Sharks, especially those in murky waters or near the surface, might confuse a human for a seal or other prey. In reality, humans pose a greater threat to sharks than they do to us. Our activities, from overfishing to pollution, are pushing many shark species towards extinction. It's time to rethink our relationship with these misunderstood creatures. Sharks inhabit every ocean on Earth, from the sun-kissed shallows of coastal waters to the dark, unexplored depths of the deep sea. These fascinating creatures have staked a claim. Whether it's the warm, tropical waters of the Caribbean or the icy currents of the Arctic, sharks have adapted to thrive in a variety of environments. They truly are global citizens of the underwater world. So remember, no matter where you go in the ocean, chances are there's a shark not too far away. In this video, we've explored 20 fascinating facts about sharks. We've discovered that sharks are a diverse species, inhabiting the globe, from the shallow coastal waters to the unexplored depths of the deep sea. They've been swimming in our oceans for millions of years, some even dating back to prehistoric times. We've looked at the spectrum of their sizes, from the small dwarf lantern shark to the massive whale shark. We've learned about their unique methods of reproduction, including viviparity, oviparity, and ovoviviparity, each as fascinating as the next. We've delved into their superior senses, their keen smell, sight, and remarkable electroreception abilities. We've understood why many sharks need to move constantly to breathe, while others can actively pump water over their gills. We've discussed the fear associated with these creatures and yet learned about the relatively low number of shark attacks on humans. We've acknowledged their long lifespans, which can stretch to several decades. We've marveled at their migratory journeys, their diverse diet, and their regenerative abilities, like being able to regrow teeth throughout their lives. We've brought into focus the threats to many shark species due to overfishing and habitat loss. We've taken a closer look at their communication strategies, their camouflage techniques, and their role in maintaining balance within marine ecosystems. We've also shed light on the phenomenon of biofluorescence in some sharks, and their social behavior, contrary to their solitary image. Finally, we've highlighted recent scientific discoveries that further our understanding of these magnificent creatures. With their vital role in marine ecosystems, it's clear that sharks are far more than just the fearsome predators we often perceive them to be. They are complex, fascinating creatures that continue to captivate and surprise us. Their survival and well-being are essential for the health of our oceans and ultimately, our planet. Let's remember that the next time we think of these ancient and remarkable predators,